All right. All Big Hits February Club and Prime Signatures is the box on tap for today. But first, we're going to break these 3 packs. Just because there's only 4 cards in the Prime Signatures. So we'll see what's in these first. We got Jake Plummer for the Broncos. Stuck together. Darrell Jackson, Seahawks. Rivals, LaDainian Tomlinson and Larry Johnson. This is 2006 pack, so Neil Rakers, kicker card, that's funny. Or Rackers, whatever. And Eli Manning, so useless. 2010 pack of Topps. We got Ray Lewis, who could be retired now. And Jason Witten. Brandon Marshall. Sheldon Brown for the Browns. Got a Steven Jackson for the Rams, first round pick. Phillip Rivers, Eli Manning, Tony Romo, and we have a Bucks card, Trent Williams rookie card, and Torrell Troop rookie card. On to the 2011 Upper Deck. We have Jim Kelly for the Bills. Thurman Thomas for the Bills. John Cappelletti. Don't know who he ever played for. Star rookie Brandon Burton. And Rocket Ishmael. Man, those are some weird cards. Alright, let's get to the good box. Good luck. Guaranteed 1 autograph in here. And feels thick. These must just be really thick cards. And there they are. 4 of them. So we got Brian Orapaco for the Redskins. 457 out of 499. And for the Kansas City Chiefs, Tamba Hali. Number 173 out of 499. We have, there's our autograph for the Cincinnati Bengals, 70 out of 199. On card, Mohamed Sanu. So congrats to the Bengals. And the last card is a Mark Ingram, prime proof, 62 out of 99 for the Saints. So, not a terrible pack. The Sanu one's pretty cool. It's got a weird signature though, it's pretty lame. But anyways, we'll be back next week with your Panini Black Box. Alright, see ya.